Bitbox 101 channel is your go-to destination for in-depth explorations of the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Our channel is dedicated to demystifying the complex concepts surrounding digital currencies, offering informative tutorials, market analysis, and the latest news in the crypto space. Need to know what happened in crypto today? Here is the latest news on daily trends and events impacting Bitcoin price, blockchain, DeFi, NFTs, Web3, and crypto regulation.
Former CEO of Turkish crypto exchange Thodex, Faruk Fatih Özer, has been sentenced to 11,196 years in prison by a Turkish court after being convicted of fraud, money laundering, and other charges. Meanwhile, in an unexpected move, crypto firm LBRI has filed a new notice of appeal against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission over a July 11th court judgment, and a former executive at FTX is planning to plead guilty to several criminal charges. The Anatolian Ninth High Criminal Court sentenced Özer along with his two siblings to the same jail sentence of 11,196 years, 10 months and 15 days in prison, along with a $5 million fine, reported Turkish state-run news agency Anadolu Agency. The Turkish crypto exchange was one of the largest digital asset trading platforms in the country before it abruptly imploded in 2021. The exchange halted services on the platform without prior notice, and the founder, Özer, fled the country along with users' assets totaling $2 billion in crypto. At the time, Özer had refuted all claims of a possible exit scam. LBRI files notice of appeal against SEC. Blockchain-based file sharing and payment network LBRI is planning to fight a federal judge ruling in July that sided with the Securities and Exchange Commission. On September 7th, LBRI filed a notice of appeal to the United States Court of Appeals for the First Circuit, seeking to appeal the final judgment entered on July 11th that ordered LBRI to pay a civil penalty and barred it from participating in unregistered offerings of crypto asset securities in the future. The SEC first sued developer LBRI Inc. in March 2021, claiming that its LBRI credit token, LBC, was sold as a security under the 1933 Securities Act. The U.S. District Court for the District of New Hampshire granted the SEC's motion for summary judgment against LBRY on November 7th, barring the platform from offering unregistered crypto asset securities and ordering it to pay a $111,614 civil penalty to the SEC. In January, LBRI founder and CEO Jeremy Kauffman told Bitbox 101 channel that LBRI as a company is almost certainly dead. However, LBRI's most recent move appears to be a possible change in course. It also comes amid a number of high-profile crypto industry victories against the federal regulator, including Ripple and Grayscale. Former FTX exec to plead guilty to criminal charges. Former FTX executive Ryan Salame plans to plead guilty to several criminal charges related to his involvement in the failed crypto exchange, according to Bloomberg. Citing people familiar with the case, Bloomberg reported on September 7th that Salame will plead guilty to several charges, but did not specify what they were. Previous reports indicated that prosecutors were investigating Salame for violations of campaign finance law. Salame's guilty plea is not unusual, as many former FTX executives have rolled over on former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried. The exchange collapsed in epic fashion in November 2022, exposing an empire of fraud and deceit. Last month, Bankman-Fried pleaded not guilty to fraud and money laundering charges. Court documents from the Bahamas revealed that Salame was one of the first FTX employees to inform authorities about the commingling of funds between FTX and its sister company, Alameda Research. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like.